Take the best care of your dog with these tips and tricks. Dogs are wonderful companions, and owning one can be a lot of fun. If you are considering owning a dog, knowing how to properly care for him is essential. This video contains some great tips that can help you to select the perfect pet for you and also care for him properly. Hot summer days are harder for dogs to handle than humans. Always make sure your pet has enough water to drink. Provide them with a shaded area to rest if they are going to be outside for any length of time. And, if your dog begins acting in an unusual manner, call the veterinarian. Heat stroke could be fatal, so it is important to get medical care as soon as possible. Do not feed your dog people food. Your dog will constantly beg for food when you are eating and will not be hungry when the time to feed it comes. Table scraps can negatively affect the dog's health and cause digestive issues or obesity. Keep the dog away from your table when you eat to avoid any temptation on both parts. Allow your lifestyle to dictate the type of dog you adopt or purchase. For example, someone that stays inside a lot would want a calm lap dog and not a hyperbreed. If you spend more time in the home, a more sedate, indoor dog will fit your lifestyle best. You should find a dog that fits well with your personality. Owning a dog is a lot of fun, and it is even more enjoyable when you pick the right one and care for him properly. Here we have outlined some essential tips that any potential dog owner should follow. Keep them in mind to make life with your new dog happier and healthier for both of you. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.